Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting the recording now. Open QuickTime Player and choose New Screen Recording or New Movie Recording. Once done, click the small arrow next to the record button to pick your microphone and quality. This sets audio source and frame quality. Make sure to enable Show Mouse Clicks if you want cursor highlights. If recording the full screen, keep your desktop tidy. If recording a window, move it to a clear area. This first move defines audio, video, and capture area for the entire session. Once your inputs are set, you'll configure the capture area and test. For screen recording, click to record the whole display or drag to choose an area, then click Record. For movie recording, position and frame your subject in the camera window, adjust brightness if it looks washed out, and check audio levels. Start with a 5-10 second test clip to confirm sound and framing. This saves time later. If you need system audio, use an audio routing tool. Otherwise, proceed with the live record. To finish, click Stop in the menu bar or press Command-Control Escape. QuickTime opens the clip for review. You can trim unwanted parts by dragging yellow handles, then choose File, Save, or Export as and pick a resolution like 1080p. Make sure to name the file and choose a folder. If audio is missing, check System Settings Privacy for microphone access, confirm the correct input in QuickTime's drop-down, and retry the test clip. If frame rate stutters, close unused apps before re-recording.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.